Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Tecno Spark 10. And to do this, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device, first one being on the bottom right here, next is on top of the screen right there. Now to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from both of them, that's a stereo speaker, so let's test it out. So clearly sound is coming from bottom speaker only, and that would mean this device doesn't have stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.